Welcome you back to Palm Hopes Foundation, and in our today's lesson number 7, we are going to be continuing with what we have been doing in the previous classes, and the skills we are to learn in this video include document typing, document copying and pasting, document editing and formatting, inserting drop caps, document saving. So these are the skills we are going to learn in this video. So let us not waste much time and let's dive into the class of today. So type the document. This is the document, Uganda's exchange, stocks exchange. So up to here. So this is the document they want us to type. So as usual, I normally tell you that every time you reach here, take a pause of the video. After taking the pause, then type this document. Type this document as where it is, or you just screenshot the video and take the picture, then you type the notes. So for me here, to not waste a lot of time, I will just highlight this. I think we have all grasped this. I highlight, then I copy. After copying, then they are saying that justify the whole of the document as our first question. So justify the whole of the document. Make 3 copies of the document. Apply 2 columns to your document. Drop the first letter of the paragraph. Shade the first paragraph with color blue. Apply a header as your name and your class, and stream as the footer. Save your work as instructed. So now, justify the whole of the document. So that is what we are going to start with, Roman number 1. So as I said, you highlight or you select the whole text. After click on start after highlighting. Then I look for all programs. I look for Microsoft Office here. Then I look for Microsoft Word, which is 2007 here. So after selecting it, I will paste the copied work there, which is this one. Then after pasting my work, I will continue and see what the question was saying. Justify the whole of the document. So they want our document to be justified, the whole of this document. The reason why justification, what it does, I told you that it takes this content, the whole information, on the same margins. For example, here it will be straight. At the same time, here it will be straight. So you see here there is some spaces. These words are not on the same margin. So what we do to justify, we highlight all of the text, then we select justify on the paragraph. Justify is here where I'm pointing, where the cursor is blinking, where the mouse pointer is pointing. So this is the justify. We click there. I think now you see how all the content is now on the same left and right margins. Okay, so we continue to the next, whereby they are saying that make 3 copies of the document. So they want us to make 3 copies of the document. Make 3 copies of the document. So we are going to come back to our work here. We are going to come back to our work here. Back to our work, we highlight it. After highlighting it, we come to home, we copy it. Then we bring our cursor to the end of the point, at the end of the information here. We press enter. Then we come here on insert. Now we say blank page. So on this page, we paste there our work. Then we continue and scroll down. We create another blank page. So we put it there. So I think now we see we have 3 copies of this work. So this is the first copy, this is the second copy, and this is the third copy. So now you can continue to the next question, which is Roman number 3, and they're saying that apply 2 columns to your document. So how do we apply columns? We come to what we call page layout. We come to page layout, then that is where we find columns. So they have told us that we apply 2 columns to our document. So we will come to our document here. We highlight this document of ours. Then after highlighting, we come to page layout. Then columns, we select 2 columns. I think you see how our work has been separated. This is the first column. and this is the second column. So we go to the next question. They are saying that drop the first letter of the paragraph. Drop the first letter of the paragraph. So we are going to come here and select this letter U and make it dropped. So we are going to come back to our insert, then drop cap, which is this one. Then we select dropped, and our drop cap will have gone there. Then another one, they are saying that shade the first paragraph with color blue. So they want us to shade this paragraph with color blue. So we are going to highlight it. After highlighting it, we come home. Then we come to here where there is text highlighting color, and they have told us to use blue. So we do that. Then the next question, they are saying that apply a header as your name and your class and stream of the footer. So a header as your name. So we are going to put their headers, insert headers here. Then they are saying that the header should be your name. So I'm going to put there my name, Ahebwa Martin. Then and the footer is always down here, footer section. So they are saying that we put there class. So I can say S2. Then I close my header. Then from there they are saying that save your work as instructed. I will come back to my work here. As usual, you click on office button, save as. Then from save as, choose where you want to save your work, desktop. Then we give it a name. A name, they said that we save it as. As instructed. So we can save it, for example, we can save it as Uganda Bank. Then click save. So after saving our work, I told you that every time you save your work, that there is the wordings will always come here. You will actually be able to see the wordings here. For example, like how you are seeing it here. I think you are all seeing here. Uganda Bank. So meaning that we have saved our work on the desktop. So if now I close everything and I come to my desktop, which is always the first screen, I will see my work, which is Uganda Bank. So to open it, I will double click to open it, and now this is my work. This is my drop cap, this is my highlighting color, this is my headers, these are my two columns. Then I will also see this is my second copy and this is my third copy of my work. So thank you members for watching. Thank you so much for staying with me. I love you so much. I'm your friend Ahebwa Martin. Bye for now.